Hello friends, welcome once again to HTML Online Math. In this video, I shall provide a solution to this particular problem. This video is proudly sponsored by YouLesson app. Catch me there on TikTok, download and subscribe to their app from Play Store so that you can enjoy a lot of my math videos there. Now, let us solve this problem. Oh my God. The question looks challenging, but in every math problem, there is always a solution. So to solve this, I have thought of so many ways in which the solution can come, but I found out something. That the only means to solve this particular problem is to multiply every term in equation 1 by 6 power x. In equation 1, we have 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y is equal to 42. This is what we have. In order to solve this, because there is nothing we can do to this equation, the only solution is to multiply everything there by 6 to the power of x. So we shall have 6 to the power of x multiplying the 6 to the power of x that is here, plus 6 to the power of x multiplying 6 to the power of y is equal to 42 multiplied by 6 to the power of x. Every term here must be multiplied by 2 to the power of x, because in any equation, what you do to both sides makes the equation to still be balanced. Then from the laws of indices, if I have to multiply two things that have the same base, I simply add their powers. And when I add x plus x, it will give me 2x plus, coming here, if I add x plus y, I will still get x plus y equals 42 multiplied by 6 to the power of x. Nothing can be done here because their bases are not the same thing. Now remember that x plus y in equation 2 is equal to 3. And coming here, you are seeing x plus y. So this place that you are seeing x plus y, you have to put 3 because 3 represents x plus y. Hence, I can write 6 to the power of 2x plus 6 to the power of 3 because 3 is now x plus y equals 42 multiplied by 6 to the power of x. Again, solving this is still a challenge. But to do away with this, to solve this very well, let us let 6 to the power of x to represent another letter. But before that, this can be broken down into 6 to the power of x bracket 2, because from the laws of indices, I can multiply x and 2 to still get 2x plus 6 to the power of 3 equals 42 multiplied by 6 to the power of x. Now, let us let p be equal to 6 to the power of x. Hence, anywhere I see 6 to the power of x, I will put p. So this will now be p, then squared, plus 6 power 3 means 6 times 6 times 6. Into 3 places, you will get 216 is equal to 42 multiplied by 6 power x is still p. Then we shall have p squared plus 216 is equal to 42p. Now let us rearrange because we've just formed a quadratic equation. We rearrange by bringing this 42p to the left-hand side. We'll have p squared minus 42p plus 216 equals 0. So having obtained this quadratic equation, which is p squared minus 42p plus 216 equal to 0, you now think of two numbers you have to multiply to get 216, and when you add, you get minus 42. Of course, the number should be minus 36 and minus 6, because minus 36 times minus 6 will give you plus 216, and minus 36 plus minus 6 will give you minus 42. So to be fast, just form two brackets like this, equals 0. You say p minus 36 and p minus 6 equal to 0. So solving this, you shall have that either p minus 36 is equal to 0. That means p is equal to 36, or p minus 6 is equal to 0. Here, p is equal to 6. We've got the values of p, but we are not looking for p. We are looking for x and y. But remember in the beginning, we said that p is equal to 6 power of x. So when p is 36, we shall have that p, which is 36, is now 6 to the power of x. Then 36 is 6 squared equals 6 to the power of x. Their bases are the same thing, which means x is equal to 2. Or when p is 6, we shall have that 6 in place of p is equal to 6 power x. And 6 can be seen as 6 power 1 because 6 power 1 is still 6. Since their bases are the same thing, you have that x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or 1. These are the values of x. We can now easily get the value of y by using any equation you like. You can use this equation 2, which is very simple. In equation 2, you have that x plus y is equal to 3. Now, when x is 1, we have 1 plus y equals 3, which means y is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. And when x is equal to 2, you have that 2 plus y equal to 3. Then y is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1. You've now seen that x is equal to 1 when y is equal to 2. You can see when x is 1 here, y became 2, as you can see. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So these are the solution to this particular equation. All right? For more easy peasy ways of solving math problems, catch me on YouLesson app on TikTok. Download and subscribe to their app from Play Store so that you can enjoy enough of my math video. Thank you for viewing and may God bless you.